What is settled funds and Charles Schwab? Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So, settled funds are the actual finalized cash in your brokerage account ready for action. Think of them as the money that has completed its journey through the finances and is now lounging comfortably waiting for your command. This includes cash deposits that have cleared and proceeds from the security sales that have been completed the settlement process. So as of May 28, 2024, the US security market operates on a T+1 settlement cycle. This means that when you sell a security transaction sells one business day after the trade date. So if you sell shares on Monday, the funds become settled and available on Tuesday. So why settled funds matter? Using unsettled funds to make new purchase can lead to violation in cash accounts such as good faith violation, free riding, and cash violation as well. These infractions can result in your account being restricted to trading only with settled funds up to 90 days of financial timeout if you will. So in your Schwab account, you'll encounter terms like available funds for trading, which includes both settled and unsettled fund. So be cautious using unsettled fund, which can lead to violation. You will also encounter terms like cash available for withdrawals. This reflects your settled funds. This is the safe amount you can use for new trades without risking your violations. To avoid missteps, you can go ahead and focus on the cash available for withdrawals when planning your trades. And that is what settled funds in Charles Schwab is all about. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.